Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 5 awesome setups that you can create on the home screen of your iOS 18.2 device. Now we're starting things off with a very simple one. This one right here. Now of course, when it comes to setups, as I have talked about even on previous videos, the main thing here is the wallpaper that you use. In this case, we're using this wallpaper, which is basically the old Nokia style, so you can create a cool setup with this one. So right here we'll have all like the different keys of the phone, and you will have the setup here of the phone, which looks pretty awesome, and we have this blank space right there where you can actually add your icons. So what you have to do here is simply set the wallpaper. Now I will leave a link to all the wallpapers that you see on this video on the description of the video, and then tap the edit button here, go to customize, of course choose the large icons, and then go for tint. Now if this turns on right here, that it will actually dim the wallpaper, make sure you have it turned off and you will have this cool setup. Now what you can also do here is choose the color picker here and maybe choose this green color, and it will basically resemble the green screen that we had on those old Nokias. Maybe adjust it here a bit towards the yellow more, like this right here, and it actually looks more like a Nokia right here with this grayish color right there, which in my opinion looks pretty awesome. Now here's the next one. If you're going for like a minimal look, a simple look on the home screen of your iOS 18.2 device, then this is the wallpaper for you. So what we have here is a wallpaper that basically resembles like a chip of a device, of course, and then you can see right here we have this dark space right there in the middle where it actually fits 4 icons really good. So we have here the dock, of course, right there we have 4 icons. Now you might have to adjust the wallpaper a bit so it fits here perfectly. Then all you have to do, of course, place 4 icons right here. They may be icons of apps that you use usually, or your favorite apps or something like that. And of course, make sure that you go ahead and just turn off the labels from the icons. Just choose the large icons, make sure you don't have the tint on the wallpaper there, and another thing, choose the dark mode icons, because I think the colorful icons here look really good with the colorful wallpaper, making the home screen really stand out. And now we're of course on the holiday season, and we had to have a setup like this. So this one is actually pretty cool, and you can see what makes this setup is of course the wallpaper that we have here. A pretty cool wallpaper with that like Christmas theme, which is pretty awesome. Now what we have else here is this widget. It's a large widget which you can add by using an app called Widget. Of course, that will also be linked right down below in the description of the video. So once you have that app installed, you will need to download this widget right here. I will leave the widget linked right down below in the description of the video. Once you have the widget downloaded, what you need to do next is set the transparency for the widget. As you can see, the widget is actually transparent. Now what you gotta do here is go to the edit mode and swipe here where there are no icons. You take a screenshot right here. Once you have done that, you go into the app, which is the widget app. You go to the manage section and then tap on setup transparency. Tap here and load the screenshot you just took. After you have loaded the screenshot, you simply tap on the check mark right there, and now you're good to go. You will have a transparent look on your widget, which actually looks really awesome. As you can see it right here, so it will have the date and the day right here, and it says Merry Christmas. It's pretty awesome. Now of course you can leave this page maybe blank and just have only the widget there, or maybe you can have any of your favorite icons right there. Now for the icons, what I've done here, simply remove the labels and choose the dark mode, but you can even use the light mode here. Each one of them looks actually pretty cool, so you can choose whichever one you want to use. Here is the next setup for the video. The home screen looks really cool, but the lock screen will be even better. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. So on the lock screen, we have this wallpaper. It basically has a light switch which you can turn on or off, and it's actually pretty cool. So let me show you guys how to set this up. First of all, go ahead and download the wallpapers. Again, they will be linked right down below in the description of the video. And from here, what you have to do is choose Photo Shuffle. Once you have done that, tap on select photos manually and select the 2 wallpapers that we just downloaded. And once you have set those wallpapers, on the lock screen, all you have to do is tap the 3 dots and choose on tap, which means that the wallpaper will change once you tap on the screen, which means that you can have this pretty cool switch here. And now let's move to the home screen. You can see we have a pretty cool look here. So we have this widget by widget, of course, and then we have 2 icons here, 2 icons here, leaving of course the blank space right there for the switch. Of course this won't work on the home screen, it only works for the lock screen, but it actually looks pretty cool. So we have of course a tint here for the icons. All you have to do here is just tap on the grabber, select a color right here from the wallpaper. You can maybe even choose another color if you want to, so you can see maybe like the red color that goes pretty well with that red on the switch right there. You will have here the chance of course to choose any kind of color you like and have this pretty cool setup on the home screen of your device. And last but not least, we have this really awesome setup on the home screen. So we have a pretty cool wallpaper here that actually fits really well with this widget that we have on the home screen here. Again, the widget is set by using the widget app, which is my favorite app and I use it all the time. It has a lot of options and you will always get new widgets every day. There are different devs releasing different widgets, so it's actually unlimited. Every time you will have something new that you can download and use on your device. So we have this medium widget right there. It's pretty awesome. It shows you the weather and even it also shows you like different details. If you tap on them, I don't know where you should tap right there. So you will have here the calendar, you will have your events right there. You can go back here to the main page, so it's actually interactive, which is pretty awesome. And then we have here a few different icons. So I chose to place the icons only on the middle here. In my opinion, it looks pretty cool. Now what I've done here, pretty simple again, just choose the large icons, choose the dark mode in this case. You might be even able to use the light mode, but you will have to have icons that are all on lighter color, because if you have like a few different black icons, it doesn't look that good. But of course, when you switch to the dark mode, it looks even better. And make sure you have removed the tint here from the wallpaper, so it looks much cleaner. So that's basically it for this video, guys. These are 5 different setups that you can create on your iOS 18.2 device. I think these are pretty cool, will make your device look of course totally different, and it's not that hard to create at all. Every link that you need to create any of these wallpapers, so you will have the widget app, the wallpapers, and the links to the widgets. All of them can be found right down below in the description of the video. So that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, and of course subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you on the next one.